On May 17, 2013, the National Child Month Committee celebrated the second annual National Children's Day. Youngsters on their way to school and passing through the Halfway Tree Transport Center were treated by sponsors and given stickers by members of the committee and its partners. It was simply a day to celebrate children. So why was Children's Day created in the first place?
I always felt that our children should have a day for themselves. The way we have a Mother's Day and a Father's Day. We ask that Children's Day be observed every third Friday annually.
Well, that's good because they actually show some appreciation because we have done much. People might say we haven't, but we have done much.
I'm happy that they're celebrating Children's Day today because everybody's getting things that we all like. And I want to say thank you, Jamaica, for bringing us to this world.
In addition to the Halfway Tree activities, children were also celebrated in their schools.
We have different plans. There are different grades and classes. Some are going on outing, some will be watching movies, some will be playing games, some are having concerts.
And the official color for the day was very bright and sunny.
Yellow is a color that we use today to celebrate our children.
Representatives of the Jamaica Information Service were out to support the National Child Month Committee as well.
JIS is represented on the National Child Month Committee, and as the national news agency, it is part of our responsibilities, core responsibilities, to disseminate information to the public about the care and protection of our children.
Sponsors for the day included Lime, Grace Kennedy and National Continental Bakery, who offered treats to the children. The students were ecstatic.
I feel great about the having Child Month. I feel special and happy.
I plan to play with my friends and be nice and don't give my teacher any trouble.
Yeah, man, it's a good thing, because children are very important and some persons don't get children, right? But we are just as important as they are.
Well, I think that's a very good idea and she has been recognized a long time ago because our children are the future and celebrating our future leaders is very good and showing that they're special and what they can become is endless possibilities.
Children's Day 2013 is now history. But let's make a conscious effort to celebrate our children every day. Remember, nothing you do for children is ever wasted.
I feel special. I feel nice.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Reggae for kids. Say what I say. Reggae for kids. Hip hip